Tashi
Dele and Namaste. My name is Khenpo Pema Choephel and we belong to the Nyingma school of Tibetan Buddhism. Today I sit before you to talk about this unique project to build a monastery in Yolmo, Kutumtsang, and I would like to share with you the thoughts and ideas behind the project. The monastery that we are building in Kutumtsang has a very unique approach and vision. We are trying to build a monastic school that strictly follows the carefully designed Buddhist monastic school curriculum by preeminent masters such as Dönjum Rinpoche, Dolgu Khenze Rinpoche, Benur Rinpoche, and Khenchel Tsundu Rinpoche. Our effort is to genuinely build a space and structure where we could all practice Buddha Dharma according to these great masters' advice and instructions. The monastery that we are constructing will be called Namdak Dechenling, and it will be built in Yolmo. Yolmo because it is one of the most sacred and secret place for Nyingmapas. Yolmo is also a pilgrimage site of Padmasambhava and Milarepa, since you could find Padmasambhava's meditation cave, Nyinda Rangchun cave. You could also find Padmasambhava's Swayambhu or self-manifested head alongside his throne made out of carved stone. Additionally, it is also a retreat site of Milarepa, and therefore you could find his precious retreat cave. It is a beautiful mountainous region wherein Guru Rinpoche, Milarepa, Dönjum Rinpoche, Chadel Rinpoche, and many great masters meditated and made it their retreat home. It is about 3 hours away from the bustling city of Kathmandu, Nepal. Right now, we were able to acquire an acre of land in Yolmo, and with the help and support from friends and family members, we were able to build a temporary structures that houses about 50 monks. Today, I am seeking further supports for funds to complete the Namdak Dechenling Monastery project, which upon its completion will house around 500 monks who would undergo strict and thorough monastic curriculum designed by the greatest yogis of our time. So I wholeheartedly request everyone to consider supporting this unique project. Thank you and Tashi Dele.